Look what we have here, 1935 Ford Roadster. This particular car has been featured in Street Rodder magazine. Actually started out life as an all-steel 1935 Ford Coupe. It was then a contract build by Jim Bones Noteboom. Riding on a stock frame that's been pinched 12 inches up front. Also some custom body fabrication done in the rear. The rear quarters actually shortened 16 inches between the fender well and the door. So this thing has just a crazy look to it. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you can take your time, look through the still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Does have front and rear 4-link system to it. Panhard bars. Also a dropped front axle. Willwood disc brakes. All 4 corners. A lot of chrome work going on up here too. Custom grille. Great looking front end of this car. Riding on Colorado custom wheels. 15 by 7 up front, 18 by 10 in the rear. Underneath the hood, 350 that is machined for 10-to-1 pistons, Schneider cam, pink rods, ported and polished heads, Jardine headers, Edelbrock carb. That is paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. And that turbo 350 tranny is connected to a Curry polished aluminum rear end with 383 rear gears. As you can see, custom flame paint job, and that's on Frost Beige PPG paint. It's the base color of this car. Dakota digital dash, custom interior, also carrying through that Frost Beige look. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Cool looking exhaust tips, like machine guns. This also does come with a fiberglass roof for the car. Stand is not included. That's ours for display purposes here in our showroom, but the top will be shipped on the car. There are a few little nicks and dings and scratches from it being on and off the car, but let's face it, how many times are you going to actually have that top on this beautiful Roadster? Again, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And of course, call us 507-386-1726. Paint on this car still shows very nicely, not full of a bunch of nicks, dings, scratches. I'm sure you can find 1 or 2 very small ones here or there, but overall, when I've looked around it, nothing stands out. Pioneer stereo is added underneath the dash, right below that digital dash. I did it steering column. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Very interesting dash, and you can change. Just go through here for different settings, different gauges, miles per hour. Here's all the gauges work. See how easily it started. Electric fan up front. Nice little rumble coming out of that 350. Plus you got a mild cam in it. Alright, I'm going to come up to the front. I want to pause this a second so you can check out this custom engine bay also. Alright, there you go. They said custom engine bay filled up. Nice polished covering on it. Again, it's a 350 underneath there. Edelbrock carb. Ported and polished. Those headlights look like they're about a 39 Buick incorporated into that front end. Very, very clean, neat. eh? There you are. If you're looking for one of a kind 1935 Roadster, here it is. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website and the pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.